Hi, this is a demo video of how IncidentFox can help triage runtime errors from Vercel applications and automatically help fix them. So let's start with creating a mock PR by running this Python script. And what it does is literally it creates a PR with one controlled change. And we will be able to see it from here. So this Vercel demo app, it's a mock application we created for this demo. And if you go into the file change, it's a pretty simple one-line change. And it looks pretty benevolent at first glance. What it does is basically that it adds a record into the orders, pretty much following the same format of the previous records, except for that you may have noticed the customer is null. Now this will pass in build time, like Git CI will not be able to find out this potential pitfall because this is JavaScript. But here, actually, we have a function called get customer display name that does return order customer dot to upper class. And here is the pitfall. When you pull customer, it's null. And when you call to upper class null, it will fire an runtime error. So here, this PR is already automatically built and deployed by Vercel. And we can see it from here. Oh, sorry, from this page. Like the PR, it's deployed 2 minutes ago. I've done some testing before, but this is the new build and deployment. And this is like the simple app that we are demoing. Like it only has 2 endpoints, and the API orders endpoint would invoke the get customer display name function in the path. So now what I want to demo is that while this app is being deployed in runtime, I want to mimic a runtime error, which means that somebody actually hits this API. And I can do it by running this command. And this just runs another simple script that literally just hits this buggy endpoint we are sort of mocking on. It will literally just call this endpoint. And now you see that it's receiving 500 error. In down here, it sort of explains that the flow we are expecting, basically the Vercel log will start showing up error logs in the log string. And IncidentFox now is able to capture these logs by the webhook. And whenever it sees error or even warning log, it's able to automatically start acting on it by looking at the logs, looking at the code changes, understand the application logic, and propose fix. So now if we go back here, IncidentFox already posts back the analysis, and it correctly identified that the error comes from this to uppercase function, and however the newly added order has this null data, and this results in into the type error. And if we go to the logs, actually, so now it's 50 if we refresh the screen. Yeah, so these are the new error logs that just came in. I was doing testing before, but you see that here it does hit the API orders endpoint and got this, complete properties of null error. And this is what exactly IncidentFox captured. And it's proposing a fix by basically capturing, if the customer is null, if it is, we just return an unknown customer, like a valid string. And now after I, as the human developer, I review this, I'm happy with the analysis, it all makes sense. I can just comment on go, and I'm basically letting the AI to, hey, make another Git commit to fix this for me, although it's not really complicated here. And I guess in the meantime, I can just show you that this is the traces from our AI agent side. So I think these traces are probably all for this demo. Just want to show you that, the agent is actually reasoning through, like this is just part of the preview of the output. But yeah, it's like reading through the sort of the arrow and the application code, as you can see here, and it's doing function call. And now if we go back, 1 minute has already passed, and the IncidentFox is able to make this code commit by like this exactly what it proposed. And now I think if I hit the API again, it will now work. Thank you for watching.